15 and our project is the emergence of blockchain. Before we get into what we did, we want to discuss what is blockchain. So blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers in such a way that the registered transactions uh, cannot be retroactively altered. So what did we do for our project? We visualized the emergence of blockchain by performing time series analysis and clustering of event mentions of 11 different blockchain related terms and evaluated the future market values of cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, based on historical blockchain mention data. And here we were able to get a Bitcoin sentiment over time and chart that. So what data did we use? We were able to query the 152 gigabyte GDEL event database, and we were able to get records mentioned of world events by Google BigQuery, and we use OpenRefine to retain event timestamps and document tone, and then also just clean up data like the rows or columns or duplicate values. And as you can see here, we are actually able to clean up a lot of data and get just only unique values. So our deliverables were time series analysis, and with the time series analysis, we were able to build an algorithm with ARIMA, and there was 4 steps that we did. The first step was to forecast prices for the next 10 days based on historical data. And the second step was appending the actual prices from the past 10 days to historical data. And then number 3 was building the new ARIMA model to forecast the new 10 days and plot against the real price. And then number 4 is repeat 2 and 3 until you get about a year and a half from the starting point. So our rationale for using ARIMA was that ARIMA is actually used in weather forecasting, and we thought that weather forecasting was pretty similar to the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum, so which are very nonlinear and chaotic. So it actually worked out to our favor, as I'll show you in a second. So what we did was, instead of using the traditional model, which is the Bayesian regression, we used the time series analysis. And as you can see to the next, it's very, very similar. And then we also use time clustering. We use a CK-means algorithm to cluster 27 groups by the optimal univariate clustering and a dynamic programming. Use dynamic programming to cluster these groups. So thank you very much. We are the Emergence Blockchain.